Hello friends, welcome to Mallorcuina channel. Today we want to speak about Hierbas Mallorquinas, Mallorcan herb liqueur, and how to prepare this special liquor. Hierbas Mallorquinas is a mix between anise and aromatic herbs. The perfect time to prepare these hierbas is in the spring, where all these aromatic herbs grow up wild in Mallorca. The origin of hierbas is from the 16th century, where apothecaries prepared them as a medicine for combat epidemics. Today we use them as a digestive after a big meal. There are thousands of recipes in Mallorca of hierbas, but today we want to show you how Mallorcuina, so as we prepare our hierbas. For prepare the hierbas, we use verbena, spearmint, chamomile, rue, melissa, fennel, medlar leaf, lemon leaf, orange and lemon zest, and coffee bones. For prepare them, we put them all in a bottle like these ones, and we make a mix of the anise. Our mix is 60% sweet anise and 40% dry anise. So you just take the anise and you put it inside this bottle and you just macerate it for 1 month more or less, and you kind of start to enjoy the hierbas. So hopefully you like this video and see you in next videos. Goodbye.